Good drink, huh?
Please. I want to do it ABCs.
Yeah? You don't?
Please, one more time.
Let's do it one time, all the way from up, okay? No?
What's that?
It's the afternoon.
It's afternoon?
Mm-hmm. What is that?
Alligator.
Alligator? What's that?
Actually, ants. Hey.
What is that?
Ants is, leave me alone.
Yeah, there's an ant that's all alone.
Yes. Hey.
What is he eating?
Cake.
Yeah?
He's singing cake.
What is that?
Apple.
What is that?
Frosted green and hopping.
Frogs are green.
What was it?
Frogs are green and they're hopping.
Oh.
What's that?
Balloon.
What's that?
Aw, a baby.
There is a baby. What's that?
Joyce get books and the apple.
Yeah? What is that?
A ball. A banana. Hey, a beach.
That is a beach. What's that?
Hey, it's in water.
I don't know, water on the floor, huh?
Bad girl. Monkey.
Bad George.
That. Oh, what is that?
It's a green bean.
A green bean?
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
What's that?
a bed.
Yeah? What's that?
Oh, a bird.
Bird.
Addie, will you sing me your ABCs real quick?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P. What?
Keep going.
U, R, S,
T, U, V, W, X,
Y, Z,
A, B, C. I want you to sing with me.
That was beautiful, thank you.
What's that? Hey,
What are those?
boots.
Those are boots.
What's that? Apple juice.
It is apple juice. You gonna let me answer, or you gonna answer your own question?
An earring. Hey,
What's that?
a cake.
It is a cake. What's that?
A bowl. Hey, it's George's birthday.
It is George's birthday. You're right.
Hey, George. Oh, that's a ball.
It is a bowl. What's that?
A box.
A box? What's that?
A boy.
A boy. What's that? What?
Hey, that's bread.
That is bread. What's that?
Oh no.
What do you do?
That was the egg.
You spilt the egg?
Yes.
It's broke. The egg breaks.
Break. Hey, it's on the castle.
Yeah.
Hey.
You did spill the egg. What's that?
Hey.
A butterfly.
Yeah, what's that?
A balloon.
Bunny. What's that?
A bus.
Yes, it is a bus. You gotta be good at this.
I good at this.
What's that?
I
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's a calendar.
Oh, what's that? Hey.
What's that?
A camera.
What's that?
Like that camera.
What is that?
A camera?
Like that?
It is kind of like that one, isn't it? What's that one?
A camel.
A camel?
Oh, it has a caddy. Hey, what is that?
Candles.
Do you say candle?
Uh-huh.
Hey, there's an apple.
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know. What is that?
A cat.
What is a cat? What's that?
A carrot.
What's that?
A chicken.
You're so cute, baby.
What is that?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
A chair.
Sure.
What is that?
What's that?
A shirt. What's it called? What? Is this a dress?
Yeah, that's a dress. What's that?
A cloud.
What's that?
A cookie.
What's that?
A pumpkin.
What color is the pumpkin?
Orange.
That's right. What is this?
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
A carrot.
It is a carrot. What color is a carrot?
Orange.
That's right. What is that?
A computer.
It's funny, that word wasn't in the dictionary when I was a kid.
Aww.
No.
I'm crying.
George is crying. What happened? Hurt his foot?
Yes.
Yeah, what was that?
Hey, a bed.
That's a couch.
That's a couch,
What
not a
is
bed.
those?
Crayons.
It's not crayons. What's that?
I don't know.
That's a cow. You see the cow?
Yes.
What's the cow say?
No.
Mew? That was like a cat cow.
Oh. Let's try again. Moo.
Good job.
That's a, what is that?
Puzzle.
Puzzle?
Hey, Addison. Addison,
What?
I love you.
How are you too? What? Hey, it's a notebook. Like that. See?
I do see.
Like that.
What's in your hand, Addison?
By my puppy.
Yeah.
What's that?
A drawing. Oh, hey.
Hey. Can you draw with your toes like that?
Mm-mm.
Me neither.
Hey, George is climbing the floor.
I know, he's not supposed to do that.
I'm coloring on paper.
You do color on paper, not on the floor. So, George, what's that?
Aw, the doll.
It is a doll. What's that?
A dress.
What's that?
Puppies. I like puppies.
I like puppies too.
Breathe.
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know what that is? What's a dresser?
That's a treasure. What is that? Draw some paper.
You did draw some papers. That's exactly what that sound says.
Ew.
What are those?
These are drums.
They're drums.
Bunny rabbit.
What's that?
I know what it is. You know what it is. Dying.
Which one are you talking about? Which one is this? Which one?
Elephant in the candy.
Yeah? What kind of candy is it?
Purple.
Purple? It's cotton candy.
It's cotton candy.
That's right.
Hey, show his name.
He is, and he's doing it on paper this time, so he's good.
Hi, it's not a cookie.
There are no cookies. It's empty.
Hey, aw.
What happened?
Good
You hurt? What he hurt? What is that?
elbow.
Where's his elbow?
What is that? Elbow. Hey! What? Why are you so laughing, Mommy?
Because you're so funny, Addison.
What's that?
Hey.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a thing.
Hey,
They're falling.
I've fallen and heard this.
Yeah.
Can't hurt. Hey. Hey.
Oh no.
Oh no. I broke this page.
You did break that page. What's that?
I'm sorry you broke this page.
It's okay. What's this?
I don't know.
You don't know what that is? What is that?
It's a giraffe. Hey, that's your giraffe too. That's a girl.
It is a girl.
Hey.
What is that?
It's a giraffe.
A giraffe? That's adorable.
It's so cool.
It's a giraffe.
What? I just tried it. Oh well.
Oh well. What's that?
Cup.
What is that?
Fingers.
Yeah, well, their fingers. They cover your fingers. What are they?
Oh, I didn't
You
know.
put them on. They're gloves.
Gloves?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, these are glasses.
Those are glasses.
Aw, that's me. I'm a little girl.
You are a little girl. What's that?
Hey, great.
What's that?
A guitar. I will play it like this. Like that.
Yeah, you play the guitar like that?
Here. Hey.
What is that?
A hat.
What kind of hat is that?
Yellow.
Yeah, it is a yellow hat.
I can...
He fell. What did he fall on?
Head.
He fell on his head?
No, his fingers.
He fell on his fingers?
Yes.
Yeah, that's dangerous on the ice. What is that?
Ice cream. Hey!
It is an ant.
Hey!
What's this?
A jungle?
A jungle? It's an island.
It's an island?
Mhm.
Hey, what is that?
What is that? What are those?
Drums. What is that?
What is that?
A A guitar.
What's that?
A piano.
That is a piano. What's that?
Okay, well, hey, what is that?
It's juice. What kind of juice is that?
Apple juice.
No, it's not apple juice. What is that?
I don't know.
What is that?
Orange.
It is. It's an orange juice.
What's that?
It's a key.
Yeah, what is that?
It's a suitcase. What's George doing on a suitcase?
Jumping.
Yeah.
What's he? Hey, look, he's kissing the bunny.
He is kissing the bunny. What is that?
Lamb.
A lamb?
What is that?
That's a big coat. It's large.
It's large. What is that?
What's this?
A library.
It is a library.
I want to get books.
Yeah.
A lot of books.
A lot of books.
Yeah. Hey, it's Mr. Paul.
You do miss the ball.
Hey, that's us. Hey, he's making what?
He is making a mess. What is that?
Milk.
It is milk. What's that?
Money.
What do you use money for?
Mommy and Daddy money.
Yeah? Why do we need money?
Lot of money.
A lot of money? Why do we need it? What do we use the money for?
Pick me. Pocket.
Pocket?
Pocket. Yes.
Do we use money to buy clothes and toys and food and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
I like it. Pocket stuff.
Hey, what is that?
It's a movie theater.
That's a deal. I go in the movie like Dragonfly.
Yeah? Like the Dragon movie? Did you wear glasses the last time you went to the movie theater?
No. I just want candy. Hey.
You just want candy? That's the only reason you want to go there?
Yes. What? What is that, Daddy?
It's soup.
That's the man George needs doing.
George does need a spoon.
He's reading. Hey, one friend, and the food's all empty. What these words and letters, these?
Those aren't letters. What are those?
I don't know.
They're numbers.
What is that?
That's a 4.
That's 4, and I get that. 3, 1, and I get really light.
Yeah? What number is that?
2.
What number is that?
3.
No, that's 3 right there.
That's 3 right here.
What number is that?
I don't know.
That's 8.
That's 8. What is that?
That's a 5.
What is that?
What is it? You tell me. What is that?
6.
It is 6.
And like this round and around and around.
Who taught you that?
Pop.
Pops taught you that?
Hey. Candy.
It is candy. What are those?
10.
Yeah, what are these?
I don't know.
Those are pajamas.
These are pajamas. These are too big. Aw, he's petting a dog.
Who's petting a dog?
I can pet a dog.
Yeah, you have to be soft with them. What are they doing?
Happy birthday.
They're having a party, huh?
Party and say happy birthday.
What's that?
A penguin.
What's that?
Hey, he's high in the book. What's yours?